What's up guys, kembali lagi di channel aku Fajar apa aja. Kali ini saya akan membahas tentang tutorial bagaimana caranya membuat semacam asap ya. Gitulah. Suka kalian aja. Oke, sebelum melanjutkan video ini, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Karena satu subscribe itu sangat penting buat saya, channel aku maksudku. Oke, kita lanjut saja. Oke, seperti biasa kita langsung masuk di kinmaster, terus pilih
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
samain durasinya. Setelah itu
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show